Hi, I'm a chief engineer. This is the rocket McGill one. No, your first start is real. Jacob, stop the soap. Hey, there's all soap. That's what smells like toothpaste.
What's your name?
Meteorologist.
Chief Meteorologist? Okay, what's this?
Rocket ship.
All right, where's the rocket ship going?
The moon.
To the moon? How long is it going to be there?
Couple wires.
Couple of whiles? Tell me something about the rocket. What's your favorite part about the rocket?
Flying there.
It flies in the air. Is it fast?
Yes.
How fast is it? It's pretty fast. What's this called? What's this called?
The nose.
That's right.
This is the orange peg. This is the fin. And this is the nose cone, and this is for the wind.
Where's the rocket going?
The space.
How long is it going to be in space?
Like for 1 minute.
90 seconds and counting. All systems are go.
Okay, let's go for auto sequence start.
And we have a go for auto sequence start. Discovery's onboard control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 17 seconds and counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff.
Calm down, boys. Down.
You want this go far enough? Bam, 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 bam. Bam.
UHF is good. Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars. Time to see where our curiosity will take us.